Welcome back to all the student of class 9 in the IT class. So, before we have completed word processing from our midterm syllabus, but it is very disappointing that 95% student did not submit the IT theory copy. Since IT class has been started late, that is after pre-midterm, so this time I am giving marks based on your theory paper to the practical. But next time means from now onwards, whatever questions I'll tell you to write in your IT copy, you have to write those as a work of IT, and you have to maintain the work as per date. And one more thing, student, in this post midterm, this word processing and spreadsheet from the previous syllabus, word processing is also included and spreadsheet is also there, which I am going to start today. You have to write all the questions related to word processing that I told you to write in the copy before. So at first, all the questions from word processing should be included in your theory copy, as well as whatever I will tell you to write from now onwards regarding the new chapters. These things must also be included in your IT practical, IT theory copy. And whenever the dates will be provided for you for checking of IT copy, I want all the student copy, otherwise you will get 0 out of 50 in the IT practical. So do remember this. Okay, now let's start our chapter, that is spreadsheet basic. Now, what is spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a program. Okay, it consists data and information organized in the form of rows and column, that is in the form of table. What we know that rows and column, where we find these things, where there is a table, there we find rows and column. Okay, so in spreadsheet what happened, the data are arranged in the form of rows and column. Okay, the data are arranged in tabular form. So to perform different mathematical operations, to maintain and analyze the data, to create MIS, means any information records, to generate graphs, to do calculations, we need spreadsheet software. Okay, now here what are the process of arranging data in columns and rows in a systematic manner is called tabulation. Nowadays different spreadsheet software are available. You have to write these software names of the software, because these there will be short questions, these things will be there. The requirements will be hardware, a computer system is required, and as a software, Microsoft Excel, you can say MS Excel 2010 must be installed on your computer. Then only we'll be able to work on spreadsheet. Alright. Now next, procedure of preparing a spreadsheet. So it's very simple. Once the software has been installed in your computer, you just need to click on the Excel icon or click on Start All Programs, Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Excel 2010. Okay. Now student, once this application window will get open or displayed on your screen, there are various components that this window consists of, you can see how all this has been marked with arrow. So first one is title bar, it present at the top of the window. Next is quick access bar. Quick access bar means it consists of the three things, that is saving documents, opening documents, means which we can access very quickly. Then tabs, ribbons, rows, columns, cells are there. Cells means where the row and column intersect the single cell, that is cell. Active cells, that means a cell is ready for entering or editing data. The cell in a dark boundary is known as active cell. Cell reference. Then all these things you have to go through it line by line, okay, because filling the blanks, you can say short questions or true false or any kind of definitions may come from this part. In Excel, each cell is identified by an address of reference, okay. And summary, do go through each and every summary, because summary is a very important portion. These are the, here you will get only the important or noted points that you will get in the summary. Now from the self assessment, do these MCQs in your copy that I told, not in copy, in the book only, that I told you before also. But from here question, from B, you need to write all these 3 questions, and you have add one more question that I will give you in the homework, as a homework also, the WOSM also, that what are the write the components of Microsoft Excel window, okay. Entering the data in worksheet or cells, you can insert a new worksheet in a workbook by clicking the insert worksheet. Now in a workbook, sheet 1 is active by default. This is also, there is a question arise, what is the which sheet is active by default. You have to say sheet 1. You can see that here in the picture, you can see there are 3 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, but the page that is opening, that is by default the sheet 1 page has been opened. So that is why it said that sheet 1 is active by default, okay. You may also enter the data in worksheet using the formula bar also. You can give formula like enter and cancel are located on the left of the formula bar, becomes active as soon as you start typing. Click enter to complete the entry or cancel to ignore it, okay. Now next is we can navigate in Excel worksheet using the cursor control keys. These are the keys, students, like up arrow key on cell up, 1 cell down, down arrow key, 1 cell left. This also you need to go through this and you have to learn, okay. If you are having computer or laptop at your home, you can open that Microsoft Excel and you can practice these things. After that I'll show you in the practical also, okay. Correcting mistakes, here is select the cell which contains wrong entry and press delete key, then type in new entry and then press key to complete it. Now next is saving a document or worksheet. It is similar to the saving we have done in Microsoft Word. The thing is all total same. Now the one difference I want to explain, that is save and save as difference. What happened that in save, the change in the same file saves the change in the same file. Note, if the file is new, then it asks you to give a name for the file while saving. This creates a new copy to update your changes and keep the previous one as it is. Means whenever you want to save a file, you just need to click on the save. But if you want to modify the same file with a new name, that time save as option is required. Then closing a workbook file, then close, or file then exit, or a close cross button you will get. Now simply that is required to close workbook. Again, summary, you have to go to the summary. After that, again MCQ do in the book, and question and answer from here you have to do. Can you insert a new worksheet in a workbook? Tell the keyboard shortcut to insert it. This you have to do from here. You have to do all the 5 questions. Okay, all the 5 you have to do from here. And practical work, these things I'll give you in the practical only. You just write these 5 questions in your copy. Okay, do this work and maintain as per date. Okay.